Hey guys, so I'm actually in the bathroom because I decided to just take you with me for like a self-care day. So today is the 29th and it's like the elections day and I'm not working, so I decided to make it a bit of a self-care day. So we're starting off the morning. I woke up, I made my bed and I had a fruit salad for breakfast. And then now I decided let's make it a self-care day. So I just put my mask on. It's starting to dry up, so I'm gonna wash it off and then I'll take a shower and then I'm gonna put this baby here. I love this mask because it's very soothing. I actually opened it because I used it last week. No, 2 days ago. Yeah, I used it 2 days ago, so it's open. It's very thick in, I don't know what's the name, like whatever they put in there. It's very thick. This mask, it's a sheet mask, and the liquid in it is so thick that I always use it twice, not just once. So yeah, once I take my shower, wash this off, I'm going to put this baby here on, and then I think I'll read a book or journal. Yeah, I'll see. I'll see what else I want to do today for self-care. But I've decided to definitely taking care of my skin. I'm gonna moisturize my hair. As you can see, my hair is open, so I'm gonna moisturize my hair because it feels a little bit dry. And then yeah, I'm cooking at the moment, so my curry is almost done. Once that's done, then yeah, we'll see how the day goes. Our next stop is this baby over here. I decided to cut my nails because they are a little bit long. Let me show you my other hand. You see, they're just slightly long enough. So yeah, I'm gonna cut my nails and then I think I'll take a shower. All right, so first thing first, my hair. So I generally add a little bit of water on my hair before I moisturize. It's actually not that bad, so I need just a little bit. So I normally use this hair butter from Good to Glow. It's almost I'm just gonna put a bit because I feel like I'm not gonna need a lot. It feels quite moist, this hair. So that is my hair done. And the birdie is in the background. Right, then I'm gonna put this up because I'm gonna do my mask now. Let's get the hair out of the way. I actually got this from one of my siblings. They said I need it. I said I don't, but now I see the need. Right, now that my hair is out the way, let's do my face. Okay, so I just washed off let me show you. I used this acne solutions. It's a clear skin serum reducing clay mask. Like it's just a normal self-care day. Right, so as I said, I've used this mask before, so it's not as thick as it used to be, but it will get the job done because it's still very moist. Oof, so cold. Oh, but it already feels so good. I think it's a hydrating mask. Get my nose in there. Yeah, no, did I already do? Because I didn't. Ooh, I just sat on the bed for the past couple of minutes. I check my food and some variety. It's just, I normally just like rub. Just make sure it's my full face is good. Not forgetting parts of my ears and of course my throat. It's just moisture, I mean, why not? Now that we're done, let's give it up for my glowing skin. I found out a reason why. So good. I was just lonely, but since you came around, all I see is tomorrow.
be over my troubles. They've been there for so long now. It's over. Suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. Yeah. I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely. But since you came around, all I see is tomorrow. Somebody said let go, let go, let go. I think I might be overthinking it. My heart is still stuck, it shows, it shows.